Hi there, I'm Josh. Welcome to Air Conditioner Lab, where we review a variety of home appliances and HVAC products so you can find the right brand for your needs. In this video, I'll count down my top picks for the best saddle air conditioners. These window ACs are unique because their reverse U-shape literally sits over your windowsill like a saddle. One quick thing to note in this video is that BTU stands for British Thermal Units. The models I cover in this video come in various sizes, so you will want to match the BTU to your room size. All product models and links can be found in the description below. Let's count down my top 4 saddle air conditioners. Coming in at number 4 is the RW Flame, which is easily the best budget option on this list. Saddle air conditioners tend to be on the pricier side, but this one is under $350, which makes it a great choice if you're looking to try out the saddle design without breaking the bank. It's not an inverter model and it doesn't have smart features, but I was surprised by how quietly it runs. It clocked in at about 45 decibels, which is pretty impressive for a non-inverter AC. Part of that quiet operation comes from the saddle-style design itself. Since the compressor sits on the outside of the wall, there is naturally less noise indoors compared to traditional window units. The RW Flame comes in 10,000 and 12,000 BTU sizes, and the dimensions are about 29 inches deep, 18.7 inches wide, and just under 15 inches tall. So it's a bit bulky, but it fits most standard windows. The RW Flame does not disclose the Energy Efficiency Rating, or EER, which to me means it's not exactly going to save you money on your energy bills. If you're shopping on a budget and want a quieter setup with that saddle-style footprint, the RW Flame is a solid place to start. Number 3 on my list is Soleus Air, a versatile and impressively quiet saddle-style air conditioner. Depending on your size, you may have the option to go with an inverter model, which is great if you're looking for better efficiency and even quieter operation. But honestly, all the Soleus Air models are ridiculously quiet, as low as 38 decibels, which is quieter than most libraries. One standout feature is its adjustability. These units are a great option if your window is set into a thicker wall. They can accommodate wall depths up to 12.5 inches, which is more than most saddle ACs can handle. That makes them ideal for older buildings or brick construction where window ledges tend to run deep. This model also comes with smart features including the My Temp remote, which senses your location and adjusts cooling based on where you are in the room, not just where the unit is. It's available in 6,000 to 12,000 BTU sizes. The unit measures about 28.9 inches deep, 18.7 inches wide, and just under 15 inches tall. Depending on the size and feature set, prices typically range from $550 to $750, making the Soleus models the most expensive on my list. While more expensive than the RW Flame, its EER of 12 is really good for a saddle air conditioner. And for those seeking more energy efficiency, the 10,000 BTU model actually has an inverter compressor and EER of 13. If you need a quieter unit with some premium smart tech and flexibility for deeper window installations, the Soleus Air is a top contender. The last 2 models on my list are both from GE, a company that's really carved out a corner of the market when it comes to saddle-style window air conditioners. Coming in at number 2 is the GE Profile Non-Inverter. Even though it's not an inverter model, this unit is surprisingly quiet, running at just 41 decibels thanks to the same over-the-sill saddle design that keeps the noisy compressor outside. It's also Energy Star rated with an EER of 11.4, which adds to its appeal for energy-conscious buyers. This GE model is an 8,300 BTU unit that costs around $400, which impressed me, considering how polished the build and feature set are. I actually recommended this one to a friend who lives in a brownstone with older windows, and they loved how easy it was to install without blocking their view. Compared to the RW Flame, this GE model is quieter, sleeker, and adds smart functionality while still keeping the price fairly reasonable. Size-wise, it measures about 28 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 13 inches tall. For rooms of up to 350 square feet, this is the best non-inverter saddle AC out there. And that brings us to number 1. My favorite saddle air conditioner is the GE Profile Clearview. While similar to the previous GE model, this Energy Star rated inverter unit brings together all the best features from every saddle model on my list. It's efficient, quiet, smart, and designed with serious attention to detail. The Clearview runs at just 40 decibels, making it one of the quietest in its class, and with an impressive 14.6 EER, it's also the most energy-efficient model here. It comes in 10,300 and 12,200 BTU sizes, which is perfect for medium to large rooms. And of course, it includes full smart capabilities for app and voice control. One standout feature is its adjustability. While the Soleus Air impressed me with its 12.5-inch expansion range, the Clearview beats it with an industry-leading 13.75 inches. I've never personally run into a wall that thick, but if I ever do, GE's got me covered. This GE inverter saddle measures 28 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 13 inches tall, and pricing usually ranges from $480 to $580 depending on the size you choose. If you want the quietest, most efficient, and most well-rounded saddle AC on the market, the GE Profile Clearview is it. There you have it. Saddle air conditioners are a game changer if you want the performance of a window unit without giving up natural light or window access. And these 4 models are the best of the best. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe to this channel. And also, check out the information in the description box below. This includes all product links plus our most up-to-date article on airconditionerlab.com. See you next time.